Hi, everyone. I just wanted to touch base with you and tell you how much I'm enjoying this week's discussion. Like you, I find this to be probably one of my most favorite discussions that I assign to students. And I always get a lot of comments about how was pretty fun. It's fun to talk to people 70 years old or older and get them to reflect on what was their adolescence like and then what do they think about adolescence today, and to sort of compare similarities and differences and what really sticks out for them. um, it's just kind of eye-opening, all the different things that come out of these conversations. So I appreciate that you're going out there and doing this, and that hopefully you're having some fun with it. So I picked this photo as a background because really the technology is something that jumps out quite a lot in this particular assignment. How much has changed in the past. People had face-to-face conversations, and we don't always do that as much. My son tells me that talking on the phone is passe. You text now. And so that's a real difference. And maybe then our skills are different around how our communication goes when it's face to face. How we can be frustrated sometimes when instead of talking to a person, we're talking to kind of a computer. Um, when we're trying to get customer service and such. So at any rate, very interesting. I'm glad a lot of times people say they're having fun doing this particular assignment, so I appreciate that too. Um, let's see. Another big thing that came up is kind of a fear culture that 50 years ago there wasn't so much fear around going out, playing outside, wandering around town, etc. And today there is much more of a safety concern. So that's just another example that comes up quite a lot. Work is another one that is quite different. It feels like 50 years ago, young people, teens went to work and may very well have contributed to the family income based on their work. So today, it's more so that they are contributing, but contributing by paying for some of their own special things, we'll say. So a lot of interesting information. I encourage you to read as much as you can of what people have written and get into kind of commenting and furthering these discussions by asking questions of one another. Okay, thanks.